What's up, kings and queens? What's going on, and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a really quick video while I got some sunlight left. I actually did not want to record in a traditional setting. It feels good outside. It's hot but cool at the same time, and I wanted to actually show you guys something while I'm out here. I didn't feel like editing, so I'm going to go ahead and record this 4-month lock update on my phone. So like I just said, I am 4 months locked and my locks are progressing so well. I'm so super duper excited, and it seems like a lot of you guys have actually started around the same time, like within a few months, give or take. And you guys have been asking if I changed anything on my as far as my regimen. For the most part, I did not change anything. The only thing that I did change was the rose water. So I've been buying rose water so much that I actually decided to make my own rose water. If you guys missed that video, that is a very good video that I advise you guys to go and look at. I know everybody can't have their own rose garden, but you can buy organic roses, and sometimes if you don't have the funds, you can just put aside some roses, even if it's old roses, and you can reuse that and make your rose water with that. So here is my little mini rose garden. These are the ones that I actually used because they were the only ones that had bloomed at that time. They're very light pink. The fragrances on these are amazing, you guys. This one is like a light pink and white. And then we have some fuchsia roses. Don't ask me what type of roses they are because I really don't know. I think one of them is like Chinese rose or China rose or something like that, but I don't know what types they are. So when it comes to my regimen, I have been really obsessed with peppermint and stimulating products because when your hair is being stimulated, that is helping the blood flow in your scalp, and it's actually stimulating your hair. So my shampoo is a hemp and shampoo castile soap. My conditioner is by Design Essentials. That's the rosemary and mint conditioner, stimulating conditioner. I follow up with my rose water, homemade organic rose water or commercial rose water if I have any on hand, and then I'll use my essential oil blend. I'm currently using like 14 different types of oils, trying to get all the benefits that I can and help prevent any of the things that I do not want along my journey. But it also has peppermint in it, and it's been working out really great. So as far as my lock progress, guys, it's amazing. I am like super duper ecstatic. Like the fact that they look this voluptuous, which is voluptuous to me, considering the size of the parts at 4 months. So my hair type is not very thick at all. It appears thick in its loose natural state when I have like when I had the fro, but actually I have very small curly type hair, and it takes a lot of hair in one box for me to produce. Hey, it takes a lot of hair for me to get the thickness. So the C shape parting, it seems like it's working. I have 100 locks, which enables me to have smaller boxes. But like I said, guys, this is at 4 months, and locks usually get thicker over time unless you're over retwisting. And because I'm only retwisting once a month, this is only going to get thicker. So I think I'm going to actually accomplish the look that I'm going for, which is the smaller boxes and then bigger at the end, the locks. So that's pretty much what I have. My advice for those who are new, I know a lot of you guys are saying that you've been following me, especially on Instagram, just to get some motivation, because sometimes you just want to start over. You don't know how they're looking, or you know, it's hard to get out with the frizzies and things. My best advice, being this is my second lock journey, is to just embrace your lock journey. A lot of people use the lock journey as kind of like an interconnection between their lock journey and their life. If you can embrace your lock journey and the frizzies and things not working perfectly, it kind of helps you embrace life, you know, and the things trials and tribulations that may occur and things not working perfectly, you know. So just embrace it. You know, that's you. That's how your hair looks in its locked state. You have to go through that and you will be all right. My husband's putting up the garage, so it's about to get loud. But until next time, be you, be beautiful, and be blessed. Bye.